look at these. You're probably like, okay, they're magnets. Well, look, just take a little look at this. Sound. Wondering how it works? I'll tell you how it works. So, since these are a very strong magnet, I'll show you. It goes through not one, but look, the magnetic force is going through. And it starts about right here. The reason? It hits hard, and then it does very little bounces, and there's something inside. It's just the way it's built already. I'm not a scientist. By the way, I make that weather video. I'm just a stupid idiot and forgot to make it. I'll do it probably today, like as of now or something. Yeah, whatever.